If you're a psychologist or anyone fascinated by human behaviors, this insight is crucial. Who's truly vulnerable to gambling addiction? Gambling, a pastime for some, a peril for others. But who is statistically more likely to fall into this risk group? Research indicates a stark gender disparity, with men being 5 times more likely to develop a gambling issue than women. Diving deeper, employment status plays a significant role. Those who are unemployed show a higher propensity towards gambling problems compared to their employed or retired counterparts. Age also plays a critical factor. Young men, particularly those aged between 25 to 34, are the demographic most affected. Looking at ethnicity, individuals from Black or other minority ethnic backgrounds are found to be more susceptible over a 3-year period compared to those from white or Asian backgrounds. Furthermore, mental health appears intrinsically linked with gambling issues. Signs of mental distress are notably more prevalent among gamblers. And not to overlook, low well-being overall is a significant indicator that may point towards gambling problems. These statistics aren't just numbers, they represent real people facing real challenges. Understanding these risk factors can help in prevention and tailored interventions.